Besides positioning the company for its customers, a good business proposal can also increase the number of cases you close, even more so with control via a business proposal template Excel spreadsheet. Sales is one of the main driving forces of any business. If you don't have a good salesperson or a good plan of action, your business will surely fail. In terms of scope, as much information as possible is required. All of them have very detailed information so as not to raise doubts about the products or services that the clients can acquire. In this way, we are providing all the necessary information to the business proposal model for the client. However, for these aspects to convince customers without arousing suspicion, an effective template is needed, which will obviously bring positive results. Therefore, the business proposal template worksheet is predictable and will help you achieve your goals. The right use offers incredible possibilities for your business. Having Excel spreadsheets can be a great investment for your company. Excel sheets integrate with various systems. A system has its specific language as well as many do not communicate with other systems. However, every system exports reports in XLS or CSV, which makes a spreadsheet able to interact with these reports. This was our commercial proposal template. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.